How to stop snoring. If you are a snorer in your household, you're probably getting a lot more sleep than those that can actually hear you. By changing your sleeping position or using an anti-snoring spray or device could alleviate all of your problems, but for millions of Americans, sleep deprivation and snoring is a much bigger issue. If you visit my blog at www.bettersleepnow.blogspot.com, I'm going to share with you some helpful hints and remedies that will conquer your sleep issues, and we can have you sleeping like a baby again, and life will be like resting on the beach.